Hey there, this is K. Michael Russell with ColoringComics.com. I'm a freelance comic book colorist and instructor. I've taught students in over 50 countries how to color comics since I started my tutorial series in 2014. I developed this course to teach you everything you need to know to color line art with Photoshop. There are over 50 real-time tutorials you can download, pause, rewind, and rewatch as often as you like. It covers every aspect of coloring, really too much to name here, but from the basics of things like setting up your line art, color theory, flatting, rendering light and shadow, some common mistakes and how to correct them, special effects, even the business of working as a professional colorist. There's a big focus on storytelling also, which I find is often overlooked in most tutorials that I've found online. I've included all of my custom Photoshop presets for brushes, tools, actions, color settings, and swatches, so you'll be working with the same tools that I use in my professional work. There's also a big selection of line art available to download for practice because I know how difficult it can be to find that. So I rambled on long enough here, so I hope you enjoy the course. Let's get started.